When this man split open a log one day, he never expected to find life inside. A tiny group of baby parrots, abandoned and scared. They had no mother, no warmth, and no idea how they'd survive. So the man made a promise. Every day, he fed them carefully and watched them grow stronger little by little. Every night before bed, he gave each one a gentle goodnight kiss. Months went by, and their transformation was incredible. He bathed them, kept them healthy, and even showed them cartoons just to see them happy. Now, those once fragile babies are full-grown parrots, bright, playful, and living the beautiful life he always promised them.